A hepatitis scare at a local hospital has taken a new turn tonight.
Patients are now suing Olean General, accusing the facility of putting their lives at risk. News 4's Al Vaughters has the very latest on this. Al?
Well, Jackie and Don, 3 patients are suing Olean General Hospital, accusing the medical center of negligence that they believe led to their hepatitis. And they're suing 3 makers of insulin pens, which they suspect could have spread the infection by the hospital staff reusing them.
He got a letter to be tested, and then he got tested, and then got a second letter that said that he had it.
Attorney John Elmore describing one of the patients who is suing Olean General Hospital. The Brown Chiari law firm is representing 3 patients who believe they contracted hepatitis by the hospital's misuse of insulin pens. One of those patients was Elmore's Little League coach, who told Elmore he couldn't have come down with the disease any other way.
Not a drug user. Doesn't run around. He's been with the same wife for 27 years. He doesn't have tattoos. And so the fact that the hospital would be a source of that, I think there's a very strong indication.
The Brown Chiari law firm is also suing 3 of the insulin pen manufacturers. The attorneys contend federal officials have warned practitioners since 2009 not to use the same pen on more than one patient, and the makers' warnings should be more assertive.
We believe that the manufacturers should have taken a more proactive position with respect to this and elaborated on their very kind of scant warning.
But Olean General spokesman Dennis McCarthy told us the hospital issued more than 1,900 letters to diabetes patients urging them to be screened. And while 8 have tested positive, there's little proof of the hospital being at fault.
We reviewed over 250 clinical journals, and there has been no evidence that we could find, that maybe anybody can find, that an insulin pen has ever caused an infection in a hospital in this country.
McCarthy told us of the 1,900 patients Olean General has sent letters to, 650 have been screened. So far, 20 tested positive, but after additional screening, that number has been whittled down to 8. Additional lawsuits are expected. Al Vaughters, News 4 at 5.